Okay, now I'll share how to get free CapCut without a watermark. We can also add title effects, and so on. For example, I'm using this title effect, then I'll add an animation effect to the text here. You can choose which animation matches the text. Then I'll try text to voice. There are also many voice character options. I'll try this character.
CapCut free, no watermark.
That's it. Then click Generate Speech. Okay, so how do I get free CapCut without a watermark? Just follow these steps. The first step is to open the Microsoft Store. Then, in the search bar, type CapCut, then install it. Wait for the process to complete. On se finissait de Clove Store.
Now, try running CapCut to Join Pro. We need to log in. Make sure you're logged in. You can use your Gmail, Facebook, or TikTok account to log in. Then, create a project or open an existing project file. Here, I'll open an existing project file. Okay, here I'll add text. Choose the free one, the one without diamonds.
CapCut, no watermark.
I'll remove the audio and replace it with a new voice. You can add animation effects to the text. Here, choose the one without diamonds. Okay, just the free one. We can choose any animation effect. Then, I'll convert this text into voice. Select the text-to-speech feature. Here, you can choose a voice character that doesn't require diamonds, just the free one. For example, this one is a child's voice.
CapCut free, no watermark.
Then, select Generate Speech.
Now, try exporting the video. Here, I'll give it a free name. For example, CapCut free, no watermark. Then, click Export.
CapCut free, no watermark.
Now, let's see if the result is okay. There's no watermark.
CapCut free, no watermark. CapCut free, no watermark. Free, no watermark.
That's all. I hope this short video is helpful.